mango juice. Ingredients: mango, sugar, water, ice cube, milk, and material blender, knife, spoon, and glass. Preparation. Step for make mango juice. First, take mango. Peel things mango litter until clean the litter. Secondly, wash clean mango to arrive plus 3 sub mango. Thirdly, pass small mango and input to become one big basin. Next, put ice cube, prepare blender, input mango, and ice cube. Mix and blend to arrive at the water. Afterward, to add sugar, and milk. And turn off the blend. Pour out juice in glass. And mango cheese is ready to be served. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Plong, plong, plong.